Jim Chick, Sales and Marketing Director for Bestop. And we're over here at Specialized Applications in Southern California today to debut this all-new PowerBoard NX.
Hey Jim, thanks for coming today.
Yep. I understand we're going to talk about our PowerBoard NX. Features wireless installation of the electrical components, so you don't have to tap into or chop into that factory wiring harness anymore.
It's a great feature for this product because now you don't have any worries about taking off any of the trim panels or any of the time or labor or possibly marring or damaging something.
We're excited to share this with you. Let's get underway.
Let's do it. So Jim, these two parts are really what makes the PowerBoard NX different, because with these two parts, you no longer have to get into the cab at all.
So it's isolated from the rest of the wiring system in the vehicle.
You don't touch the factory circuit with the exception of power and ground.
So with this transceiver and this sensor, we don't have to tap into the kick panel, get in behind the dash, cutting wires, tapping into wires.
It's going to save a lot of time and a lot of potential hassle, because I know from my experience, getting into those door panels, that can be a problem.
Yep, pretty touchy area for a lot of installers. Let's put a set on.
Let's do it. So the system comes with 4 of these sensors and this receiver. The way it works is you've got a magnet, and that magnet, once it passes by the sensor, sends a signal to this receiver. The receiver then tells the controller to lower the running board, and that's why you don't have to get into door panels anymore. And that's really the heart of this patented system and what makes it so special.
Well, Bruce, thanks for explaining the Wi-Fi technology behind the NX board. Definitely easier, way smarter than how it operates and not having to get into the factory wiring harness. Let's take a minute and talk about how the PowerBoard's stronger. Like most every other product, Bestop manufacturers, we spend a lot of time on continuous improvement. So outwardly, though the boards may look the same, inside, the aluminum linkages, the stainless steel and all the cross pins, how they attach and how the motor works, all have been improved. We made a change to the color of the motor so it's black, so it blends in with the body and underbody a little bit better. It just makes for a nicer, sleeker fit.
So you're still going to have a wire harness, but these 4 wires, the heartburn wires, no more. In fact, on a Chevy truck where you have to pull that door panel, you're not going to break those clips, you're not going to mar the panel, you don't have to get the wires back there, you don't have to run through the accordion boot. Much simpler, much better.
On the F-150, we've placed the sensor in the door jamb area of the cab. And the magnet that triggers the sensor is out here on the door. It's got a little plastic collar around it to hold the magnet in place so it doesn't move around. So here in the passenger front, showing the super easy installation, we've got the sensor up high in the door jamb here. Magnet that triggers it is over here on the door. Could just as easily be down here in a variety of places, but we put it here to illustrate where the sensor fits. We took an extra magnet to show you how the board works. Simply sits on top of the sensor. When the door's shut, the board's going to retract. When the door's open, the step extends. Bruce, so PowerBoard NX, smarter?
Well, it's fully self-contained, definitely smarter.
Easier?
Well, you don't have to get in the door panel, you don't have to get into the factory wire harness, it's a lot easier.
Faster?
Well, with not having to do that stuff, you're probably going to cut about an hour off the install time, Jim.
Stronger.
All the improvements have been made, definitely a stronger system.
Great job, man. Thanks.
Thank you.